I've been working along with just a standard cable cast on here, but I wanted to show you very quickly how you can do an alternating cable cast on. And what that does is it alternates between a knit stitch and a purl stitch. So if you're doing a knit one, purl one ribbed edging, it's a really nice cast on to use because it almost looks like a tubular cast on or something where the cast on it goes straight all the way up into the work. So to start with, to do your knit one, you go in between the first two stitches as if you're going to knit, wrap the yarn around and pull that stitch onto the needle. And now comes the purl one, where we're going to go behind between those two stitches, wrap the yarn around as though you were going to purl, pull that loop back and through. Hang on, I've caught. Wrap the yarn around, pull the loop back and through, and put that on the needle. Now we come back to knit in between those two stitches, wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and put it on the needle. Purl, back between the two stitches, wrap the yarn around, pull that loop through, and put it on. Oh. The knit one from the front, purl one from the back. I'm going to do just a few more so that you can see what it looks like after I've worked it a little bit. Okay, just do one more here. So you have to be very careful with this. Is a slightly more blunt needle tip than I usually use. Often I'll use a very pointy needle because it helps. So if you come down here, you can see the edge of your work is alternating between knit and purl. So you've got the ridges, they come up for a knit, down for a purl, up for a knit, down for a purl. So when you use this for a cast on, make sure that you match up your knits and your purls with the way the cast on is gone. And this is the start of it here, where it was just a standard cable cast on and how it looks differently. So it can be very useful cast on if used in the right situations.